We're looking at number 2 here in 1.11. We might actually get 3 in on this one. We'll see. So we're still in 1.11. 1 inch to 1 foot. We want to know the scales that are equal to that. Well, 1 inch to 1 foot is not a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 inch to 1 foot is actually equivalent to a 1 inch to 12 inch, or just a 1 to 12 ratio. So we're looking for fractions that can reduce to a 12th. Check. Right? So the first one right off the bat. A 12th to 1. Okay? So remember, the first number has to be 1/12 the size of the second one, and that is true in this one. 1/12 is a 12th of a whole. So that makes sense. That does work. Any numbers that have the bigger number first, not going to work. What does the fraction 5/60 reduce to? Well, if you divide them both by 5, you'll notice that it reduces to 1/12. So that one works. 36 to 3, backwards, bigger number first. 9. Okay, be careful with this one. 9/108. You divide both by 9, right? Because we're going to simplify this thing. 9 goes into itself once. How many times does 9 go into 108? Well, if you know your times facts, you know that 9 will go into 108 how many times? Once. Remainder. No remainder, because it's nice and whole at 12. So we have a 1 to 12 ratio. So you should select A, B, D, F. All right, let's jump into number 3. I think we got time to knock this one out too. Model airplane is built scale 1 to 70. All right, so the drawing is 1. The actual real is 72. If the model plane is 8 inches long, the model plane, okay, so the model or the drawing is on top. So we got 8 inches on top. How many feet long is the actual plane? Well, let's keep this in inches to start, all right? Because we don't want to get the feet converted, mixed up. We're multiplying by 8 to get to the larger plane, right? So if we do 72 times 8, let me type that in just to make sure we get that right number here. 72 times 8, you get 576. So this is 576 inches on the real plane, but it asks about feet. So you just need to do a quick conversion of inches to feet. Well, you know that 12 inches are in a foot. Multiplying it by 12 would be ridiculous. So you need to set up division, because that makes more sense. 576 divided by 12, and you get 48. So the real plane, based on this scale, is 48 feet long. And that is problem number 3. You're welcome.